Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I am making the easiest bread by boiling the dough first. Soft inside with a light golden crust outside. A unique and simple method you must try. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 110 ml warm milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Now add 1 egg. One and a half cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and make a soft dough. Keep the dough soft for better texture. Knead gently, rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Now boil water in a pan. Take small portion of dough and flatten with your hands. Drop them into the boiling water. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes until they rise. Do not overboil the dough pieces. Remove and keep aside. Heat a pan with a little oil. Fry the boiled dough pieces for 3 to 5 minutes until light golden. Boiling dough before frying gives a unique texture. This method is used in some traditional breads. The bread becomes soft inside and slightly crispy outside. Simple ingredients create a different style of bread. Fry on medium heat for even color. Do not overcrowd the pan. Homemade bread is fresher and safer. You can control oil and ingredients. Milk and egg add nutrition. A simple and filling snack. Your soft and unique boiled dough bread is ready. Serve warm and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.